Good morning everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are at OSH India. So here you can observe your health and safety in various fields. You will get to see many products, many things which is useful for your daily life, for your health and safety in various fields. To know more, let's explore this video. Thank you.
The guarding and the containing, and that it doesn't improve production or it doesn't improve quality, then you're going to have a lot of resistance from the manager. But if your paradigm is much more aligned to its hazards and human error, and then like I said before, something unexpected always has to enter the equation, that sets off a chain reaction. And then exactly where you end up on the old risk pyramid is usually just a matter of luck. So the obvious thing to do, and what we've been doing for the last 50, 60, 70 years, is to see if you could eliminate or minimize the hazardous energy. And we've done a pretty good job with that, but there's not that much low-hanging fruit left.
जो आइकर बाइसेप 4WH डिवाइस है, इसके अंदर में 3 तरीके का ऑप्शंस या मोड्स है अवेलेबल, एंड then again you can descend the person down. So there are 3 options. One is ascend, you stop in between, and there is a descent option. So you have to take control of the victim first, then you take control of the device and you lift him up. You can bring him down again with a controlled speed. Now safely, next we want to show you emergency evacuation. Emergency evacuation बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी है और इम्पोर्टेंट है. उसको कितना जल्दी कैसे कर सकते हैं? We can understand कि कहीं पे भी आग लगता है, बहुत फास्ट आग फैलता है और इस कंडीशन में जब आग बहुत फास्ट फैलता है, then we have to be very much prepared in terms of the emergency evacuation. Imagine you are sitting in an office. Imagine you are empty sitting in an office and suddenly there is a fire. If there is a fire, then how fast you can come out of the situation? Yes, you cannot use the lifts because the first thing, in case of a fire, the electrical connection you have to just put it off. So the only thing you have to left it with the evacuation devices. So this is an evacuation device which is Smartline X. This is the only device currently available in the world which is of flame retardant rope or it's aramid webbing. So the temperature capacity is 460 degrees. Greater than 460 degrees temperature it can resist. So in case of any emergency, you just connect yourself and you can come down. So it's basically a personal rescue system. Anybody going up, even the firemen who are at your factories, plants, and even our state all fire protection teams connect battery operated system with a remote control. So if you want to do facade cleaning, if you want to do painting, if you want to do any inspection, maintenance, if you want to do inspection of your chimneys, anything, it's easy. It's easy. So you connect yourself, you're on the seat harness, very comfortable position, you're just not hanging, there is no stress on your thighs. So you use your remote control, no electrical connection required. Normally you will not get any electrical connection when you're working at height. So it's very easy, 100 meters, 200 meters, doesn't matter. Just sit on it, use the remote control, ascend, up you go. You stop yourself, you do your work in between, then you can again come down with the help of the remote control. It's so simple and easy. Down. Okay. So again, very importantly, after this product, if anybody in your factories is doing electrical work, your electrical engineer, your technicians, your electricians, whosoever it is doing any electrical job, they should not wear any normal harness.
Thank you guys for being with us. Hope you enjoyed the video. For more exhibitions and events, you can subscribe our channel. Thank you.